Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python IEEE project which is entitled as Fake Facebook Profile Detection Using Machine Learning, which is an enhancement of IEEE base paper title Enhancing Social Media Users Trust, a comprehensive framework for detecting malicious profiles using multidimensional analytics, which is an IEEE 2025 journal paper. Before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. Due to the fast usage of the internet, many people are using social media on their day-to-day life. There are many kinds of social medias are available like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter kinds of things. So every day people tend to post various activities on this social media. So there are few people who misuse this social media by creating some fake accounts or fake bot accounts kinds of things. So using that they will be creating some malicious activities. So it is very important to identify these kinds of fake profiles on the social media. So here in the base paper, the authors have utilized the deep learning model for identifying the fake bot account detection. So here they have utilized the multimodal data such as visual content, temporal activity pattern and network interactions kinds of things, and they have utilized specialized convolutionals which are employed to identify the dependency in the user behavior over time from the sequential data. So these are the details that is mentioned in the base paper, but we are not going to do the same as mentioned in the base paper. So now let us see about our proposed system and our proposed model. So here in our proposed system we are going to focus only on the Facebook profile detection. So our project title is, proposed project title is Fake Facebook Profile Detection Using Machine Learning. So already here in our website you can see a title called Fake Profile Detection Using Social Media, which we focused on developing using the Instagram. So here you can see the title, Fake Profile Detection on Social Networking Websites using Machine Learning. Here in the project, earlier project that we have done, which is focused on Instagram fake account detection, but here we are going to do on the Facebook profile detection. So this is the proposed title, and here you can see the IEEE base paper title and the IEEE base paper abstract. So coming to our proposed system, so we are going to implement three different models. So in the proposed project abstract, we can see about the details of our implementation, that is enhancement from the base paper. So we are going to implement three different models. The first model is gradient boosting classifier, second one is ExtraTree classifier, third one is stacking classifier. So using the gradient boosting classifier, we have achieved the accuracy train score of 100% and accuracy test score of 95%, and using the ExtraTree classifier we have achieved the accuracy train score of 100% and accuracy test score of 96%, and using the stacking classifier we have achieved the accuracy train score of 100% and accuracy test score of 95%. So now let us see about the proposed abstract part. So we have developed this project using Python as the core programming language, and we have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript for the front end and the Flask as the web framework. So now let us see about the dataset part. So the system utilized a dataset which contains 600 records. So the 600 profile records have been utilized, where it contains various features like number of friends, following count, community participation, account age, number of posts, kinds of details. So using this dataset we have trained the system. Let me show you the dataset and then come back again to the abstract part. So the dataset that we have used contain the 600 dataset records. You can just scroll down and you can see it contains 600 dataset records with the features like profile ID, number of friends, number of following, number of community, age, post shared, number of URL shared, photos URLs, and these kinds of details are available. So finally we have the label of it also. So this is the dataset that we are going to train the system. So coming back to the abstract part, so we have utilized the three machine learning models: gradient boosting classifier, ExtraTree classifier and stacking classifier individually. So as mentioned, the gradient boosting classifier achieved the training accuracy of 100% and testing accuracy of 95%. Coming to the ExtraTree classifier, they have achieved 100% training accuracy and testing accuracy of 96%. And coming to the stacking classifier, which combines the prediction of the multiple Bayes learners and achieved the training accuracy of 100% and testing accuracy of 95%. advantage. And finally, we show the comprehensive evaluation of our models also, which shows the performance analysis parameters like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and confusion matrix, and also we show the graphical analysis of it. So all these details have been mentioned in the proposed project abstract. Coming to the existing system, so we are going to take the base paper as the existing one. So in the IEEE base paper, so the authors have proposed the enhancing social media user trust, which is a comprehensive framework for detecting malicious profiles using multidimensional analytics. So this system focuses on improving the trust and security in the online social network. So the existing system adopts the multi-dimension and multi-model detection framework, where the key component of the existing system is the use of the deep learning based technique for the feature extraction and the representation learning of it. So the system is being constructed by combining the visual, temporal, and network based features. So all these details have been mentioned in the existing system of the project. Coming to the disadvantages of the existing system, the main disadvantages of the existing system are high computational complexity, dependence on multimodal data availability, limited practical deployment feasibility, high training and maintenance cost, platform dependency and generalization issues, complexity in interpretation of results. These are all the main disadvantages of the existing system. So each subheading explain detail about it. Coming to the proposed system, to overcome the issues that is mentioned in the existing system, we have proposed this Facebook profile detection using machine learning, where it is developed using a web-based framework using Flask as the web framework and Python as the core programming language, and HTML and JavaScript for the front-end part. So here we have utilized the data set which contains 600 data set records, and the data pre-processing is being implemented, and then 3 different machine learning models have been implemented with the gradient boosting classifier, ExtraTree classifier, and the stacking classifier. And finally show the performance analysis parameters like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and confusion matrix also. These all the details have been explained detailedly in the proposed system concept. Coming to the advantages of the proposed system, the main advantages of our proposed system are improved detection accuracy, reduced system complexity, efficient computational performance, better generalization capability, easy integration with web applications, comprehensive performance evaluation, scalability and maintainability, enhanced transparency and interpretability. These are all the main advantages of our proposed system. Now let's see about the system architecture. This is the overall system architecture. So the input is be like Facebook records dataset, and pre-processing of which selection is made, and then we'll be applying the 3 machine learning models: gradient boosting classifier, ExtraTree classifier, and stacking classifier, and finally show the result as fake profile or genuine profile, and finally we show the performance analysis and the graph. This is the overall system architecture. Let's see about the system requirement. These are all the minimum hardware requirements for the project. And coming to the software requirement, this project can execute in Windows 10 or 11. Coding language uses Python 3.12.0. Web framework is Flask. Front-end contains HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And this is the IEEE base paper for the reference of the project. Now let us see the execution of the project. So just go into the source code folder. Inside that we have this Facebook folder. Inside that we have the app.py file, other files. So here in the address bar, type cmd and click enter. So the command prompt will open with the exact location of it. Now type Python space app.py and click enter, and kindly wait for a few minutes. Now you can see this URL. Just copy this URL, go to any of your browser. I'm going to Google Chrome and paste it, click enter. So now you can see the project home screen or welcome screen with the project title, fake Facebook profile detection using machine learning, and you can see the features of it by like mentioning the AI power detection, real-time analysis, high accuracy, batch processing, export reports, performance metrics kinds of thing. And you can see the accuracy, the models use parameters, and the real-time fast kinds of thing. So first click the login menu, so it will be navigated to the login page. Kindly note that this is a static login page because we have not used any database in the project. So just enter the default username and password as admin, and then click the login to dashboard. So now the login is successful, and we will rerouted to the dataset upload part, where you need to upload the dataset. So just select this browse file. Now go to the source code folder. Inside that we have Facebook. Inside that we have this upload.csv file. So just select this upload.csv file. Now after selecting this upload.csv file, click this upload and analyze button. So now the dataset has been uploaded and you can preview the dataset, which contains a 600 dataset records, 50 parameters, and you can see the data quality and the file format of it. So here you can see the preview of the dataset showing the dataset records of it. So now here, scroll down the end of the page, you can see the start training button. So just click this start training button. Now the training is completed and will be navigated to the important part of the project, that is the prediction part. So where you need to enter the Facebook profile details, and you can see that here we have given the 3 models. You can select whichever model you wanted, gradient boosting, ExtraTree, or the stacking classifier, and you can predict the result for it. Now let us see few cases. So first case, I'll just enter the number of friends as 39, number of following as 300, community count as 907, account age as 200, post shared as 1000, URL shared as 850, photos and videos are 922, URL to post as 0.49, media to post as 0.55, average commands per post as 0.56, and likes per post as 0.47, total tags as 40, tags per post as 14. So now let me select the first model, gradient boosting classifier, for this value that we have entered, and let me click this analyze profile. So now you can see the predicted result is a spam account. So you can see the model that we have used, and you can see the confidence score, and you can see the values, whatever things that we have entered is also shown here category wise. And also we have provided an option of exporting the results in a PDF format for future reference. So just click this download PDF. So now the PDF will be saved. I'll just save it as 1 in the desktop. So now PDF is being generated, and you can see the results of it. So we have just entered the what are the details, and you can see the result of it also. So now to check another case, let us just click this analyze again, or you can just click this fake profile detection also. So here for the next case, I'll just quickly enter the values as 150, 350, 30, 300, 300, 100, 290, 0.33, 0.96, 0.5, 1.2, 10, and 4. So I've just entered the values for this case, and this time I'll just select ExtraTree classifier model, and let me select this analyze profile button to predict the result. And you can see the predicted result is a genuine account, and you can see the model that we have used, and you can see the confidence score of it and the values that we have entered. So similarly, if you wanted, you can just export the results also. This is an optional only, so you can just utilize it for referring in future cases only, so you can utilize it. And now let us check for another case by clicking the analyze again. For the third case, I'll just give the number of friends as 300, number of following as 450, community count as 50, and account age as 465, post shared as 500, URL shares are 150, photos and videos of 450, then URL to post as 0.2 and 0.84 and 0.4 and 1.5, and total tags as 15 and total tag posts as 7. And in this case, I'll just select the stacking as the model. Let us check the result of it. So now you can see the predicted result is a genuine account, and you can see the model that we have used, and you can see the confidence score and other details also. So this way you can check with other cases that is available in the dataset part or the test part also. I have shown you with the each case of the each model. So in this way you can just enter, and finally I'll show you a case with the number of friends as 25, number of following as 110, community count as 660, account age as 350, number of posts shared is 2050, URL shared as 2000, and videos 2000, and let me enter the URL to post ratio as 0.97, number of media to post ratio is 1, average comment 0.7, and you likes per post is 0.3, tagging behavior as 21, and tags per post is 1. So now let us select the stacking classifier and let us predict the result for this case. And you can see this is classified as the spam account, and you can see the model use and the confidence code of it and the values that we have entered. So in this way you can check with the other cases also by selecting the models whichever you require. So now let us move to the next part, that is the performance analysis part. So just select this performance analysis. So it will be navigated to the performance analysis part, where you can see the performance analysis parameter of accuracy, precision, recall, and the confusion matrix of all the models. So first model is gradient boosting classifier. You can see the model accuracy 95%, and you can see the key metric comparison with the precision, recall, F1 precision for class 1, precision for recall for class 1, and the F1 score for both the classes is available. Similarly, you can see for the ExtraTree classifier, the accuracy is 96%, and you can see the key metric comparison, the precision of class 0, precision recall of class 0, F1 of class 0, precision of class 1, recall of class 1, and F1 of class 1. Then clicking the stacking classifier, you can see the model accuracy of the stacking classifier, the key metrics comparison of the precision class 0, recall class 0, F1 class 0, precision class 1, recall class 1, and F1 class 1 of the stacking classifier. And you can see the classification reports of each with the confusion matrix also for the each and every model. You can just check it out, that one. So in the performance analysis part, we have the detailed performance analysis metrics for each model, like accuracy, precision, recall, F1, and the confusion matrix for gradient boosting, ExtraTrees, and also the stacking classifier. Finally, we show the visual chart part, so where you can see the chart analysis, which shows the two different charts. One is the total distribution. So in the dataset part, we have the given the dataset which contains the 72.6% of genuine account and also spam account with 27.4%. So that is being shown in the pictorial representation in this total distribution chart part. And coming to the model comparison chart, you can see the model comparison of each model with the training and the test score. The gradient boosting content train score of 100%, test score of 95%. ExtraTree with the train score of 100% and test score of 96%. Stacking classifier with the train score of 100% and test score of 95%. So this is the details that is available in the chart part. So now let me log out. This is all about the project fake Facebook profile detection using machine learning, and thank you for watching.